Hello, everybody out there in VW Life Land. Well, we are today together, Matt Jackson, to celebrate a very special occasion. What is it?
Well, we hit over 3,000 subscribers.
Oh my gosh, thank you everybody. 3,000 subscribers, that's pretty exciting.
I'm excited.
I am too, and I'm so appreciative, as I know you are too, Matt Jackson, of everybody out there who's just helping us make VW Life what it is. VW Life.
Yeah, it is. So we're going to give away some stuff.
Yes, I think we've got some wonderful prizes. Look at this. You're going to get a VW Life decal, Longboard Love decal, and of course, Texas Junk Kings decal, and some wonderful VW books. We're so appreciative to everybody out there. Thank you guys so much for subscribing as always. And please pass the word along to all your friends and everybody. We just want to keep growing the VW Life to share with you guys. We love your stories and everything like that.
Yeah, and how are they going to win?
How are they going to win, Matt Jackson?
Leave a comment below and we'll pick whoever we like the best. Make us laugh. Tell us what you're working on, anything.
Yes, do that. Make it something snarky, because we're kind of snarky kind of guys, I think.
Yeah.
So the funnier the better. I like that kind of stuff.
Yeah, so leave a comment below and we'll pick a winner in a week or two, and somebody's going to get all this stuff from us.
For free. All you have to do is make a comment, and a smart man never passes up anything free. So,
yep, so thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you guys. Thank you.